Hi guys, for today's video I'm sharing with you guys the Poolmate Hydro 4. It's a robotic pool cleaner and I can't wait to share with you guys how simple it is to clean your pool with this. Alright guys, it is my favorite time of year, which is pool season, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys because one thing that I don't love is cleaning my pool. It's just like a very tedious task and sometimes it is super time consuming. So that's why I love the Poolmate Hydro 4. I also love the fact that it is powered by an AC adapter buoyant cable because it offers extended coverage. It also enables long duration cleaning sessions. I have a plug that's a little bit further away, so this is perfect for me. As you can see, my pool just kind of gets a little dirty sometimes. There's a bunch of stuff at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that kind of like black sand and then random stuff. I don't even know what half of that is. There was a fire, so I think there's a little bit of ash in the pool nearby. So we are just going to put our Poolmate Hydro 4 into the water and get to cleaning. I just love that this makes the pool cleaning so easy for me. It's definitely one of those tasks that I can find harder, and this thing can actually go up the walls and clean very efficiently. As you can see, it even gets in there and scrubs the actual water line of the pool, making sure that those surrounding like water line tiles stay nice and clean. As you can see here, it does a really, really great job at scrubbing those. Another thing I love about this is the quality. It's really good. It actually has deep sea technology motors. So it is utilizing advanced motors that were originally designed for underwater robots. And these units are actually built to withstand water pressure of up to 200 meters. So you don't have to worry at all. They're also engineered to operate in high salt and high chlorine environments. So another thing you definitely don't have to worry about. This will also significantly extend the robot's operational lifespan and ensure that we'll have long-term efficiency. As you can see here, the suction power on this pool robot is insane. I don't even know what those two black things were at the bottom of my pool, but you can believe that this pool robot went ahead and picked those right up. So the suction power is super impressive. It's also very lightweight and easy to carry. I can lift it with just one hand. It has a spacious 4.1 liter filter basket. It's dual-sided, so it can open from both sides, making it super easy to clean. And it's large enough to hold a lot of debris. As you can see, I cleaned the whole pool and it still has a ton of space. There's a worm. Oh, it picked up a worm. That is so gross. So the cool thing about this is you just have to plug it in, set it, and go. You don't have to worry about doing anything else. It does all the work for you. You guys, I cannot express enough how much I love this and how easy it is to just keep my pool clean with literally not even having to lift a finger. You can do everything from the app. The app has all these different customizations that you can do. You can set the duration of the clean. You can set up different modes for cleaning. And the best part is you can actually use manual mode and you can kind of move it around however you want, which I think is another really cool feature. Now let's take a look at the after of this pool cleaning. It is seriously amazing. My pool was sparkling clean and I was so excited to go for a little afternoon dip in the pool now that we got things back to normal. But I absolutely love this Poolmate robotic vacuum cleaner for the pool. It's the Hydro 4. I cannot recommend it enough. I love this thing. Alright guys, I will have the Poolmate Hydro 4 linked down below for you guys to check out. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!